Hello traders, do you think we should be entering this trade that is setting up over here, and what is this pattern that is forming on the daily? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Nopan here, founder of Master the Markets Illiteracy Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the 1 hour time frame on GBP USD cable. Now as you can see over here, there is a pattern set up over here on the 1 hour which we do recognize over here. It has taken out the upper stretch line, as you can see, the green line over here, come back and then retraced and then set up this pattern over here, okay, this continuation primary pattern. Now the top of the bar is where we look to enter, and the stop loss is on the low of the continuation primary, essentially for the low of this bar here. However, there's only one thing that would stop us from entering this particular trade, is the word which starts with a T. Do you remember what it is, traders? Very important. It actually dictates a lot of things that happens actually not only in trading but in the entire world, which is time. Okay, because time has passed, traders, we've not got an entry up to 3 p.m. It is past 3 p.m. now, and therefore we would not be entering this trade, because most of the stats that we have seen, 80% of trades will get to our target by 3 p.m. and entry should be before 3 p.m. as well. So because of that, we won't be entering this particular trade.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
However, another thing of caution over here as well that you can see on the daily time frame, you can see that what we have is, if you take a look at this bar here, the next bar here is what we call the insider bar, right? Now within that insider bar, you see today's bar is another insider bar. Now, however, we are not sure if it will remain an insider bar or not, but if it does remain as an insider bar, then what we call this is a double compression. Double compression. Now, the double compression patterns are usually very, very powerful because of the fact that the principle that anything that compresses for a long time will finally break out viciously, okay, and that's the move that we want to capture. But most importantly, you must know your entry, and more importantly, entry is your exit, because that's where you make your money. Even if your entries are poor and random, but if your exit is good, you can still make money consistently. So your exits must be really, really strong, and that's why over here Master the Markets, we base them on open equity, on how much move is left on a probability basis, based on quantifying our tops and bottoms. Okay, right, traders, so that's that one, that double compression bar. If it does remain as a double compression bar, then what we will do is to position ourselves for tomorrow to see how to enter this trade. Okay, you must be able to visualize a bar projection. A really good one to be entering would be not the first break of the highs of either one of these bars, but a failed attempt on the 1 hour time frame of an upper stretch, and then waiting for a pattern setup to take it all the way up. Okay, so that's what we would be looking at.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Or if it does do a 1 hour pattern to go on the further down, then we would then be taking a look at that as well. So analyze that tomorrow. Regardless, this would be a strong, powerful setup to be taking a look at tomorrow. Now, just a quick glance at the 4 hour is a strong uptrend as well, as you can see. Now, if it does carry on with its momentum, then this low over here will become a daily bottom if it does carry on further up. So we'll see for that if all the time frames load up tomorrow and align themselves. However, as of now, we won't be taking a trade for today. Another thing, if you guys have been observant as well, we can see that a double compression bar is also happening over here as well. So we got that bar, that's an insider bar. If this bar doesn't take out the high of this, then we'll get a double compression bar. Double compression bars are very good in terms of the breakout that they will do, but you got to be very clear on where to exit. Very clear on that. You will get your good move out, but usually the first breakout usually be a fake, and then the next one then will be a strong move. So be aware of that as well. Do your research on that. Alright, I guess that's pretty much that from me. Just a few quick points. Do watch out for our trader starter pack free 5-day video series. Will teach you all the concepts and terminologies if you're unsure of it, designed for both beginner and intermediate traders, taught by institutional quant traders, leveraging from our 12 years of collected research and also 38 years of cumulative experience that we've had over the team of traders over here. Alright traders, I think that's pretty much that it. We'll be doing a very short trader social as well very shortly, in about 2 weeks time, when you can meet all in person and socialize. More of that in the emails, and we'll also put some details on our YouTube videos as well if you guys want to see us and join us. Alright, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.